Hello and welcome everyone. Today's puzzles are meant to challenge your vision and enhance your tactical understanding of the game, presenting you a fascinating position with black to move. Now, I challenge you to analyze the board and figure out the winning tactic. Okay, so the key insight in this position is that the queen and the rook have no sensible moves that create threats or forcing moves. Hence, the real magic lies in the movement of the knight. Any knight move in this position creates a stunning crossfire between the rook and the queens, leaving both of the pieces vulnerable. However, moves like knight to g7 or knight to c7 just give the opponent a chance to trade equal material with the help of an intermezzo. So, what is an intermezzo? We will come back to it later. So, the winning move in this scenario is knight to f8, which is a discovered attack both on the opponent's queen and the opponent's rook, as well as leaving both of our pieces vulnerable. So, in this case, after knight to f8, if the opponent captures our rook, we win the opponent's queen. In the other scenario, after knight f8, if opponent chooses to capture our queen, then we can play an intermezzo or an in-between move. An intermezzo is such a move that we keep our plan of capturing the opponent's queen back on hold, and instead we capture opponent's rook first with a check to the king, and after he escapes we can capture back the opponent's queen. The move sequence in the second variation will be like this. We can capture the rook with an intermezzo, the king escapes and we can take back the queen, and in this position we are a rook up. Therefore, in this puzzle we have visited two chess tactics, which are intermezzo and discovered attack. So this is today's daily puzzle on Lichess.com, and you need to find the right winning sequence of moves and comment it down along with the tactic used. So hopefully this video has provided insights into the ideas of discovered attack and intermezzo in chess.